Hi guys, this is the start of the Goa trip. So here I'm in the Waterfall beach.
Okay.
We are doing sports, baby.
Yes. Let's go.
So after some grueling squats, we moved to push-ups. So here we might think I'm not doing it properly, but that's just because of the water, okay? These are proper formed push-ups only. And this is the reason why it is not recommended to do push-ups when girls are coming to do it. And finally, cardio. So in the beginning, I started running in where the water was very less, and then while coming back I did the opposite. I went well, more water was there, and sadly because of the cyclone we couldn't go much more in, but we were able to do swimming and all that stuff for some time. So yeah, ignore the diving. There's just little water. I wanted to add some drama to it. So yeah. And here, after having lunch and all that fun, we finally came to a place, to Anjuna Beach in Goa, to see the sunset. This is us waiting for it, but because of the cloud we thought it will not be there, but yeah, we did reach.
Hey guys, we three have come to Mutyala Madalu Waterfalls. We just completed one photo session inside the waterfall, and now we are doing trekking. Yeah. Yeah. Everything is going on YouTube.
This much adventure.
We have too many things on our hand. So we are going up, huh? Fuck, how did you guys go? Coming. That's what she said. Holy crap.
Hey, we should have camped first here.
It's okay, man. We have to dry ourselves.
Yeah, better. Sun after wetting. Nice.
Right. Hey guys, it seems we came to the wrong waterfalls and now we are going to the correct one. It's all because of the guy in the front who's acting like a monkey. Probably one more round of photo session.
This is the perfect adventure. You should have planned faster.
I told you.
Maybe next time again you come here with more people. Yeah.
So yes guys, this was the real waterfalls. It started from the top, so many people went there, but we didn't risk it. So we would have gotten wet again. So after a few photo sessions, we came back. So yeah, that was the end of it.